bro? Hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's up, bro? Lorraine, are you there? Yes, I'm talking to Aesthetic Blake. Because he called me bro. Aesthetic. Hi. Shout out to you. Welcome back, Aesthetic. You look good. Thank you so much. You look good. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Aesthetic Blake. Yeah, welcome back, guys. So yesterday I'm not doing to live stream because I'm so busy. So today I'm back to doing live stream. Yes, everyone. I miss you all. Yeah. Where do you live? Oh, I live in my house, aesthetically. I live in my house. I live in the kitchen. I live in my little kitchen. Hi. I'm in which country? My country. It's Philippines. My country. I am from Philippines. Aesthetic Blake. Yeah. Hello everyone. Good afternoon, guys. How are you there? Yes, my country name is Philippines. Aesthetic Blake. Hello. Hello everyone. Everyone, hello. Welcome back. Yes, I'm back. I'm back to doing live stream. Hello new friend, new viewers, new friend. Yeah. Hello. Comment down below, guys, and I will shout out you. Comment down below and I will shout out to you. Where are you from? Hey Luis, where are you? You're back, Luis. I think you're there, but you're leave. And now you're back. Thank you so much, Luis. Ava seems I'm back. Hi, Ava. How are you, Ava? Nice to see you again, Ava. How are you? Yeah, I'm back. I'm back, Ava, because it's 30. I'm not doing to live stream. Yeah, because I'm so busy. I'm so busy yesterday, so I'm not doing to live stream. So now I'm back to doing live stream. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Hello. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hello. Are you there, Ava? Ava, thank you so much. Hello everyone, shout out to all my dear viewers. Hello. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.